Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, in this video I will explain about 16 tenses in English. Before going to the explanation, allow me to introduce myself first. My name is Naila Farakena from class EFB 1B, name 2005 11022. So let's go straight to the explanation of the material. Simple present tense. We use the simple present tense to talk about habits, routine, and fact, things that happen regularly or are always true. Formula in positive, subject plus verb 1 at he, she, it. In negative, subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1. In interrogative, do or does plus subject plus verb 1. Explain of scientist in positive. I eat breakfast every morning. She goes to school by bus. In negative, I do not watch TV on weekdays. He does not like coffee. In interrogative, do you play football? Does she study English every day? Present continuous tense. Use for action happening right now or around the present time. Formula in positive, subject plus I'm is are plus verb in. Negative, subject plus I'm is are plus not plus verb in. In interrogative, I'm is are plus subject plus verb in. Explain of scientists in positive, I am studying English now. They are watching a movie. In negative, I I am not sleeping. She is not cooking dinner. In interrogative, are you listening to me? Is he playing the guitar? Present perfect tense. Use when something happened in the past but still has a connection to now. Formula in positive, subject plus have or has plus verb 3. Negative, subject plus have or has plus not plus verb 3. Interrogative, have or has plus subject plus verb 3. Explain of scientist in positive, I have finished my homework. She has finished Paris twice. In negative, I have not seen that movie yet. He has not eaten breakfast. In interrogative, have you ever been to Japan? Has she called you today? Present perfect continuous tense. Used for an activity that started in the past and still continue now. Formula in positive, subject plus has or has, have or has plus been plus in, verb in. In negative, subject plus have or has plus not plus been plus verb in. In interrogative, have or has plus subject plus been plus verb in. Explain of scientists in positive, I have been studying for 2 hours. They have been working since morning. In negative, I have not been feeling well lately. She has not been sleeping properly. In interrogative, have you been waiting long? Has he been exercising regul, regul, regularly? Simple past tense. Use for complete action in the past. Formula in positive, subject plus verb 2. Negative, subject plus did not plus verb 1. Interrogative, did plus subject plus verb 1. Explain of scientist in positive, I watching a movie yesterday. They visited their grandparents. In negative, I did not go to school yesterday. She did not finish her homework. In interrogative, did you call your friend? Did he enjoy the concert? Past continuous tense. Used for actions that were in progress at a certain time in the past. Formula in positive, subject plus was or were plus verb in. Negative, subject plus was or were plus not plus verb in. In interrogative, was or were plus subject plus verb in. Explain of sentence in positive. I was reading that I was reading when you called. They were they were playing football. In negative, I was not sleeping at that time. She was not listening to music. In interrogative, were you were you studying last night? Was he watching TV? Past perfect tense. Use the show that one past action happening before another past action. Formula in positive. Subject plus had plus verb 3. Negative. Subject plus had not plus verb 3. Interrogative had plus subject plus verb 3. Explain of say this in positive. I had finished my homework before dinner. She had left when I arrived. Negative. I had not seen him before the day. They had not eaten yet. In interrogative. Had you done your homework? Had she finished in London before? Past perfect continuous tense. Used to show something that was happening for a while before another past event. Formula in positive. Subject plus had been plus verb in. Negative. Subject plus had not been plus verb in. Interrogative. Had plus subject plus been plus verb in. Explain of sentence in positive. I had been studying for 2 hours before the test. They had been waiting for the bus. Negative. I had not been feeling well all week. She had not been working the law. In interrogative, had you been sleeping when I called? Had he been running before it rained? Simple future tense. Used to talk about something that will happen in the future. Formula in positive. Subject plus will plus verb 1. Negative, subject plus will not plus verb 1. Interrogative, will plus subject plus verb 1. Explain of sentence in positive. I will call you tomorrow. They will travel to Bali next month. In negative, I want not forget your birthday. She wanted come to the party. In interrogative, will you help me with my homework? Will he join you later? Future continuous tense. Used for action that will be a progress at a creating time in the future. Formula in positive. Subject plus will be plus verb in. Negative. Subject plus will not be plus verb in. Interrogative. Will plus subject plus be plus verb in. Explain of scientists in positive. I will be studying at 8 p.m. They will be working tomorrow. Negative. I want not be sleeping at that time. She will not be watching TV tonight. Interrogative. Will you be attending the meeting? Will he be driving to work? Future perfect tense. Used for action that will have been complete before a created future time. Formula in positive. Subject plus will have plus verb in. Negative. Subject plus will not have plus verb 3. Interrogative. Will plus subject plus have plus verb 3. Explain of scientist in positive. I will have finished the project by next week. She will have graduated by 2026. Negative. I want not have complete the report by tomorrow. He won't have arrived yet. Interrogative. Will you have done your homework by then? Will she have finished cooking by 7 p.m.? Future past continue tense. Used to talk about something that will have been happening for a certain period before a future time. Formula in positive. Subject plus will have been plus verb ing. Negative. Subject plus will not have been plus verb ing. Interrogative. Will plus subject plus have been plus verb ing. Explain of scientist in positive. I will have been studying English for their 3 years by next June. They will have been living here before a date. Negative. I wanna have been working her that long. She wouldn't have been studying all day. Interrogative. I will you have been waiting long? Will he have been driving for hours? Simple past future tense. Used to talk about something that will happen in future. Seen from the past. Formula in positive. Subject plus will plus verb 1. Negative. Subject plus will not plus verb 1. Interrogative. Will plus subject plus verb 1. Explain of scientist in positive. I will I would go if I had the time. She said she would call me later. Negative. I will not do that if I were you. He said he will not come. Interrogative. Will you help me if I ask it? Ask. Will she like some coffee? Past future continue tense. Use for action that will be happening at a certain time in the future. Seen from the past. Formula in positive. Subject plus will be plus verb ing. Negative. Subject plus will not be plus verb ing. Interrogative. Will plus subject plus be plus verb ing. Explain of scientist in positive. I would be studying if I were at home. She said. She would be waiting for me. Negative. I will not be working today if it's raining. He said he will not be coming tonight. Interrogative. Would you be staying here if it was quiet? Would you be sleeping now? Past future perfect tense. Used to show something that will have been complete in the future from a past point of view. Formula in positive. Subject plus verb, subject plus would have plus verb 3. Negative. Subject plus would not have plus verb 3. Interrogative. Would plus subject plus have plus verb 3. Explain of scientist in positive. I would have finished the job if I had more time. She said she would have arrived early. Negative. I would not have done that work without your help. He would not have passed the test right now without study. Interrogative. Would you have helped me if I asked? Would she have gone if she not known? Past future perfect continuous tense. Use the describe in an action that will have been happening for some time, seen before the past. Formula in positive. Subject plus will have been plus verb ing. Negative. Subject plus will not have been plus verb ing. Interrogative. Will plus subject plus have been plus verb ing. Explain of scientist in positive. I would have been studying if I had not been trying. She said she would have been working all night. In negative, I would not have been waiting if you had called. Had had will he will not have been traveling without a reason. Interrogative. Would you have been working if it had not rained? Would she have been sleeping at the time? So in English there are 16 tenses. They are made from three main times: past, present, and perfect. Past, perfect, past, present, and future. And each has four from simple, continue, perfect, and perfect continue. If you understand the pattern, learning tenses will be much easier. Just keep practicing and you will get better every day. Thank you for learning me. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.